Okay students, you have to complete the table. So I will complete, then you can understand. Here 15 rupees is there. Now we want to convert into paisa. So what I will do, I want to multiply or divide. So I told you previous video, if you want to convert rupees into paisa, you have to multiply by 100. If you want to convert paisa into rupees, you have to divide by 100. So here rupees is there. I want to convert the paisa, so I am going to multiply by 100. So 15 rupees into 100 paisa. If you multiply, you will get 1500 paise. Okay. Then 58 rupees 50 paise. If you convert it as a paisa, what you will get? So 58.50 into 100, you will get 58. Okay, na? So what I will do? 58.50 into 100. So 0, all 0. Yes, 0, 0. Then 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Then 0, 5, 8 and 5. If you add 0, 0, 0, 5, 8, 5. So 2, if you give 2 point, it means here 2 decimal places, 2 places there. So you have to put the decimal places after 2 decimal places. So 5850 paise. Okay, 5000. Yes, 5850 paise. So 5850 paisa. Okay, then here they given paisa. Now we want to convert as a rupees. So what I told you, if you want to convert paisa into rupees, you have to divide by 100. So as per that, what I will do, I am going to divide by 3100. Sorry, 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, 31,250 paise divided by 100. So here I will do 31,250 divided by 100. So what I will do, I will take 3 GT5. So 300 is equal to 300. If you subtract 12, you will get. Then I will take down 5, 125. Okay. So 0 will take later on. So how 1 times 100 is equal to 100. Then you will get 25. So 25, you take down 0. Then now 200 is equal to 200. Then if you subtract, you will get 0, 50. Okay. Then if you want to subtract, you can't subtract. So what I will do, I will take one, put 1 0. So I will put here point. So 500. So what I will do, 500 is equal to 500, then 0. Now what you will get? 312 rupees 50 paise. Sorry, not here. Here 312 rupees then 50 paise. Okay. So rupees 312 rupees 50 paise. So they given rupees, sorry, paisa, I convert into rupees. Okay. Then here again they given rupees. Now we want to convert as a paisa. So I told you again, we have to multiply by 100. So as per that, what I will do, 825.50 paise multiply by 100. Okay. Then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0. Okay. Then 0, 0, 0. Then what we will give? 1. So 1, then 5, then 5, 2, 8. If you add, I will put here. Okay. 0, 0, 1, 5, 5, 2, 8. So just you give two decimal places, because here 2 decimal places. So I will put 2. So what you will get? 82,551 paise. So 825 rupees Now I convert it into paise. So 82,551 paise. Okay. Okay. Now then last one, 4,250 paise converted into rupees. So what I will do, I have to convert it, divided by 100. Okay, then I will take 3 digit. So 400 is equal to 425, then take down 0, then 2 times 200 is equal to 200, then you get remainder 50, then point, you will take one more 0, 500, so 500, 0, then 42 rupees 50 paise. So 42 rupees is the rupees 50 paise. So I hope you understand how to convert it into rupees into paise, paise into rupees. Okay, now you are going to learn how to add the money. Okay, so here 25 rupees 50 paise, then 52 rupees 75 paise. Now how to add, let me see. So first we have to arrange the proper format. So 25 rupees point 50 paise, then 52 rupees 75 paise. So it's this also amount. Okay, if you add 0 plus 5, 7 plus 5, 12, yes 12, 2 remainder 1, so 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, then 5 plus 2 7. So how much rupees? 78 rupees 25 paise. Okay, then you understand now, 78 rupees 25 paise. Okay, it is okay. Another example, example 2, addition of money. So 17 rupees 35 paise, 30 paise, and 30 rupees 50 paise. If you add, so I will write as per the, so 17 rupees 30 paisa, then 30 rupees 50 paisa. If you add 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 3 8, so 80 rupees 7 4. So 47 rupees 80 paise.